In this video, I am going to show you how you can join the Pixelverse project. So we are going to mine the Pixelverse point on their website and also in their Telegram mini app, which is called the pixeltap. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, follow me on X, and also join my Telegram channel. Now let's get into it. Alright, so now this is the website. So I'll leave the link at the description and also the first comment. Just click on it and you'll be redirected to this wonderful page. Now all you have to do is just enter your email over here. Better still, you can just check it and then you sign in with your Google. So I'm just going to do that, and you can do this on your phone. Okay, so don't worry. So just click on it and visit their website. Just select my email account or Google account. Click continue, and that is it. So immediately you use my link, you are going to get 500 of the pixel point. All right, so that is it. Now we have joined this project. Now just click on the profile section, and this is what you are going to do. Okay, just click on this pen over here. Just click on it and make changes to it. So I'm going to change it to Kojo Crypto. That's my name on X. All right, so Kojo Crypto. Then the bio, you just have to write anything. When I change my name, I'm going to get 100 of the points. All right, and when I write a bio, I'm going to get 100. So the number of characters should be 200. So yeah, so that's my name and that is my bio. All right, so you have to connect your X account, you connect your Telegram account, and you connect your Discord account. It's important. You'll be getting some points out of it. So I'm going to click on save. After you connect, you just click save. All right, so I'm going to do just that, and you can see I have 700 now. So 100 for my username and 100 for my bio. All right, so 200 in addition to the 500 is 700. So we are done with that. So we are going to the referral section. With the referral section, you need to invite others. You can copy your link and send to people to join. It's not compulsory, but it's good you get that. Then at the pet section, you can buy pets. You can choose bots. All right, so this is the default bot. Okay, so click on choose. Then that's all. So every day you have to come here to feed your pets. You understand? So just click on feed. Okay, that is 1100. 100 is it 1100? No, it's not 1100. It should be 110, because adding to that, you can see it's 110. So you have 4 hours to claim this. Okay, again, so it will be added to your total points. You can come to the task section to perform certain tasks in order to earn more of the points. So just like this one, when you follow this Trust Wallet, I've created a video on how to perform the Trust Wallet quest. Okay, so I'll leave the link at the description down below. So yes, make sure you join this quest. You can win a decent amount of $50,000 and also the Pixelverse point. All right, so that's how you can join the project. Okay, so this is their website. That's what you need to do on their website. You understand? Yeah, so I'll leave the link to the bot on Telegram as well. That is the Pixelverse. So right now, the pixeltap, that is the pixeltap. So right now I'm taking you straight to the app, okay, where we are going to learn how to farm the pixel point, okay, using the pixeltap app, okay, by Pixelverse. All right, so basically on the website we are done. All right, we are done. You can connect your wallet, and when you connect your wallet, you can earn some of the points. So when I click here, okay, I can connect my MetaMask to get 200, connect my wallet connect to get 200, connect my Bybit to get 1000, and connect my OKS to get 3000. So you just have to be doing all this thing. I have a video on MetaMask. So if you want to learn how to create a wallet using MetaMask, I'll leave the link at the description down below. Check that video out. But if you want me to create videos on how to connect, to create a wallet connect account and also Bybit and OKX, just leave a comment at the comment section below. All right. So that is it. So I'm just going to close that. So make sure you perform all those tasks to increase your points. All right, so back to the phone. You can see the phone on the screen. So all you have to do is just when you come to this section, let me explain everything for you to understand. So the balance section is the balance you have on pixeltap. All right, yes, and that is the incoming balance. All right, okay, and this is where you are going to earn your pixel point. All right, so every 8 hours you have to come here to claim this. Every 8 hours you have to come and claim. All right, yes, so at this section is where you can see the people you have invited. The fight section is you can fight with other players, okay, and when you win you are going to get pixelverse point. And the top is the leaderboard, and the rewards is where you can perform task and you do your daily combo as well to get more of the pixel points. All right, so I am going to the invite section. You can see that's where you are going to see the people you have invited and what you have gained from them. All right, so that is it. And when I go to the fight section, let me play one game for you to see. So you can fight a friend or you can fight any random person. So I'm going to choose a random person. All right, so let's see. So basically maybe this guy is going to beat me. So the fight is determined based on the capabilities of your bot, and I'm going to explain that, don't worry. So all you have to do is you have to be tapping where it has been marked. Okay, so this is super kick. When you choose it correctly, you are going to, okay, so I've won. So they are going to deduct the point from his. Okay, I'm going to choose again. I want this one again, so I'm going to tap, okay, where they have circled, and I'm going to defeat this guy. I'm going to defeat this guy. Oh, this guy is defeating me. I have to defeat. This guy is defeating me. Oh, this guy will defeat me. Damn, how come? Defeated. So I have been deducted 12k because I lost this. And what will help you to increase your winning? So this is it. This is my game. I have to increase it so I can upgrade it. Okay, when I upgrade it, I will get more of strength to fight more enemies, and the more I fight and win, the more I gain more of the points. You understand? Yes. And the top is, I told you, that is the leaderboard. Okay, so you can, and it is based on referrals, and I have 7 referrals, and look at this guy is having like 74,000 referrals. That's crazy. So I'm going to the reward section. So that's where you are going to do your daily combo and your daily task, okay, or your daily reward. And at the task section, which is this section, okay, that's where you can perform tasks to increase your earnings. So when I click on that, you can see there are taxes over here, and you can see this tax has been checked, this tax has not been checked, this has not been checked, this has not been checked. So I can perform this tax to earn. You can see this has been checked. Yes, so that is how you can increase your task. So I'm going to click back to top and rewards again. I'm going to click on claim. So I have 4 hours to claim today's today's daily rewards. All right, and when I click on play over here, I can just select the combo. And please, every day I post the combo in my Telegram channel and also on my X account. So if you already have an account on the pixeltap, make sure you follow me on X and also join my Telegram channel, because that's where I post the combo, and you can earn up to 5 million of the pixelverse. For me, I earn like 900k of the pixelverse. So thank you for watching this video. This is basically how to join the pixelverse airdrop. Okay, you can farm on their website and also farm on their pixeltap mini app in Telegram. All right, so thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment at the comment section, give me a like, join my Telegram channel, and also follow me on X. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.